Friends, I have designed that landscape, a vertical garden in the patio of the office of the Vice Chancellor, MNS University of Agriculture, Multan. And I hope you will appreciate my efforts. You can see that is too much lengthy and with good height of 10 feet. Being a consultant horticulturist, I have designed myself and my team worked with me. Now we have completed. All the day we remained busy in its construction, flower arrangement, and now the result is in front of you. God has gifted us with different flowers, and now it is our duty how to arrange them and how to beautify that specific place. The length of that vertical wall is about, vertical garden is about 50 feet, and the height is 10 feet. It has covered the whole wall, and what a good look comes when that is our office of our Vice Chancellor. Here he sits, and surely the working of a person is improved with high efficiency in such environment, beautiful environment. And it is the work of horticulturist. It's my work. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you.